Okay, heading out on the big Ben Nevis hike. Weather looks gorgeous this morning so far. Let's hit it in Minty McGinty, our trusty steed. Okay, we're heading off.
It's a bit easy.
Yeah, the weather is not great, but we'll see how it goes. It's kind of 10 degrees, windy, a little bit of drizzle.
But
Basically
there's some sunshine.
perfect Scottish summer. But yeah, there's some sun up ahead. So it's definitely changeable. You get so many seasons in a day here. The mountain you can see at the moment that's Ben Nevis, but you can only see to halfway. And then there's more mountain behind that. It's in clouds at the moment. Started our walk in the visitor center. It's a £4 fee to park all day. And just note that it's best to bring coins to pay for that, because they have one machine for coins and one for cards, and the card machine is broken. Ben Nevis, since the UK's highest mountain. Yeah, 5 minutes in, and we've had to add some warm gear. Let's go! First section is a very easy, broad path, very obvious from the visitor centre. You just cross the river, start heading up, and it's basically stairs. So I have read that if you come later in the day, you'll have a column of people heading this way. About half an hour into the hike, maybe about 40 minutes. Smooth going so far. Very easy walkable path, beautiful views. And now we're at this pretty little bridge, and just look at those views. Here comes the sun. Woo! It's a little bit windy and quite chilly, but we're continuing. Scottish hiking snacks. Tunnock's caramel. Let's see. Scramble it.
Gone hard.
The caramel is frozen and washed down with an iron brew. Nice. Scottish 4 seasons in one day. We're getting a spot of the old sunlight, and the views are spectacular. Yeah. Now the wind's died down a bit. We're about 2 hours or so into the hike. We're maybe 2/3 of the way up. Yeah, and just incredible views all around. Path is becoming a bit rockier, but still quite easy and still very well marked. Beautiful day on the mountain. As one passing hiker said, the locals are wearing shorts. It says 5 Finger Gully beneath us. And you can see there's a couple of people behind us. And some blue sky up above.
We've lost the path, haven't we?
Have we? Looks like we've missed the path. Definitely.
Yep.
Okay, going back down.
There it is.
How did we do that? People are looking at us with worried faces. Okay, this is clearly the wrong route, heading back down. Okay, we're back on the correct path. We just passed another couple who said they did the same thing, so we don't feel too bad now. This is the main path. If you run out of path, reconsider what you have done to reach that point. The path to the switchback, and we didn't realize, and we kept going straight. Approaching the top, you've got to follow the cairns to make sure you don't lose the path. I can imagine if it was snowy, you would have a lot of difficulty.
Still smiling.
A little bit misty up here. Oh wow, there's a cozy little spot to take a break. Looks like a jacuzzi. We found a wee bit of snow near the top. You can see the summit for a second. We made it to the top. There's the cairn up ahead. There's still some snow. Amazing views looking down into the valleys. Here comes G. Don't get blown over. Massive cliffs going straight down here. Ringed with snow, so don't do a any izzard. Wow, look at that. Oh, I thought it was snowing, but it's the wind blowing snow at me. Shit! That is mad. Whoa! That's where you don't want to fall off. Beautiful.
And it's beautiful.
Ben Nevis. Owen says, go!
I like it.
Let's all stop and put on more jackets. Whew. Made it to the bottom. It took about 4 hours to get to the top, 3 hours to come back down. Spent a bit of time at the top. It was windy but sunny and lots of beautiful views. Really excellent hike, and I think if you're of reasonable to above average fitness, you shouldn't have too much trouble. I've got a little bit of jelly legs, but I think I'll be okay tomorrow. So bring lots of layers. Anyway, pull them on, take them off. Owen says go.